I'm hoping.
She's nice now.
Yeah. I try to make it where the dogs have a lot of fun.
Well, I didn't get much either.
Thanks for letting me know, because I was going to get more cookies. I know. I was talking to you. I know.
Oh, cute. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Yay, Oreo!